Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just cellular data apps not working, so if on some apps cellular data not working, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first you just open the settings, and in the settings first thing just check if you turn on your cellular data. So after you need to check apps, so just find here apps that you want to use your cellular data, and maybe you just turn off using cellular data for this application. So just check here in this list, find this application and just check if you turn on here. So this is a way how you can also fix it, and after you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the channel, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slightly power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.